Yes, sir, y'all. We out here. We setting up, getting ready to rock and roll. Yes, sir. Y'all check it out, man. Hey, shine your flashlight real quick, sleep. You show these folks, man, what we dealing with, man. Look at that, man. We around a lot of structure right now. We around a lot of structure right now. Look at this big tree, man. That's crazy. So this is what we working with. We got trees and stumps all around us right now. I think we fishing like what is about 20? What about 20? About 15, 20 feet? About 20 feet of water.